Welcome back to the Rider Pro today. We're diving into the 2026 Old Premier Padmini, a legendary name reborn. Once an icon of Indian roads, the Premier Padmini returns with a nostalgic soul and a modern twist, blending classic charm with contemporary engineering. Legacy reimagined the original Premier. Padmini was known for its elegant curves and dependable performance. The 2026 version pays homage to that heritage with retro-inspired styling, rounded edges and signature chrome accents, while updating the proportions for today's urban lifestyle. Exterior design highlights from its circular headlamps to the refined grille and smooth body lines. The 2026 Old Premier Padmini captures vintage elegance, modern LED lighting, alloy wheels, and subtle aerodynamic tweaks ensure it looks timeless yet relevant. Interior and comfort. Step inside, and you'll find a perfect balance of old-school simplicity and modern comfort. The cabin features premium upholstery, a minimalist dashboard inspired by the original, and updated tech like a touchscreen infotainment, system and digital instrument, cluster engine, and performance under the hood. The 2026 Padmini offers efficient petrol and hybrid options designed for city driving. Smooth handling, improved suspension, and better fuel efficiency make it ideal for both daily commutes and nostalgic weekend drives. Technology and safety. Despite its classic appeal, the car doesn't compromise on safety. Expect features like ABS, airbags, rear parking sensors, and smart connectivity, bringing the Padmini into the modern era with confidence. Why the 2026 Premier Padmini matters. This isn't just a car, it's an emotion. The 2026 Old Premier Padmini is for enthusiasts who value heritage, style, and simplicity, wrapped in a modern package. Conclusion: the 2026 Old Premier Padmini proves that legends never fade, they evolve. If you love retro cars with a modern heartbeat, this revival might just steal your heart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below.